Hey YouTube, Sneak Freak. You might know me as Officer Snap, but I'm just really done with snapbacks now. I'm more into shoes. Be expecting. Alright, I got this unboxing, another unboxing, and maybe another one soon within the next couple weeks. So yeah, comment, rate, subscribe, share my channel, whatever. So yeah, let's get into it. If I can get this tape. I always struggle cutting stuff open in unboxings and shit. Oh dang. Oh. The shoes I got, they're two of the same shoes. So yeah. As you can see from Officer Snap's channel, like I used to have like not really good quality videos, but I just got an iPhone 5 for Christmas, so yeah, I'll be having HD videos. As you can see here, Jordan Fly box, the cement, everything. 9.5 Jordan 5 retro, or Jordan 4 retro. Same thing with this one. So yeah. Look at these buttes. Bred Force here. They're so beautiful, and upside down Jordan. The stars are, I like just everything about this shoe. Probably my favorite Jordan of all time. Here's one pair. This one has the better box than the other. And then this one has the hang tag. They're both good. They both are just great shoes. Great quality, great shape. Everything is just perfect about these shoes. Yeah, probably my favorite Jordan of all time. And here's the one from the retro card. So yeah, then that like gel stuff, I don't even know about that. But yeah, it's been my video here. Be expecting, I'll be making an on-foot review of these. So yeah, I'm gonna need you guys, just so I can get out there more, comment, rate, subscribe to me. I'm not going to tell you what other shoes I'm going to be having, but I'm going to be having for sure another pair and maybe another. I'm not sure about it, because I might be trading a pair of these for something. So, yeah, Steven, got that fresh new shoe smell, everything just perfect. These ones are dead stock. This one, he said he wore for like an hour and a half. So, yeah, you guys comment, rate, subscribe. Be expecting an be expecting an on foot of these. So yeah, comment, rate, subscribe, and I'm out.